Hello everyone, I hope you've all been well. For anyone who's new, my name is Olivia, and in today's video I will be revealing and wrapping the Wrapunzel June 2024 Scarf of the Month. Before I get started with all of the revealing and wrapping fun, the Scarf of the Month membership is a benefit of the Wrap Royal and Wrap Legends levels of the Wrapunzel membership. More information on the membership can be found in-app or on site. All right, let's get started with the revealing. Okay, now it's time for all the fun. The Scarf of the Month this month is an absolutely fun scarf. It is an exclusive color of the Striped Delight scarf. These are amazing scarves, especially for this time of year. They are bright and colorful and lightweight. They are very smooth in texture, but about the weight of one of the Tough 2-in-1s, so very lightweight, but without all the texture. The colors of this one are gorgeous. The Striped Delights come in lots of different colors and patterns, but this one is just exclusive to the membership. And oh my gosh, I love the color scheme of this one. Now, for all of the Striped Delights, they come with these beautiful little tassels on the end, the little fringes. They're super fun. They play really well into some wraps and they are easily hidden. So it's very versatile when styling. It's pretty big. Let's see here. It's very, very large. So wrapping is going to be a dream. All right. Width is perfect, not too big, not too small. And then it comes with the beautiful Wrapunzel tag on the inside. And this is the scarf. I'm looking forward to lots of pairings with this one. The brooch for this month, because this month's accessory is a brooch, is a sunflower. It's super pretty, not overly large. You can see comparison to my palm, but it is a gold tone, and then it has the little black center here. The clip on the back, really easy peasy. As I'm saying that, I'm having a hard time. It's really easy peasy to lock and unlock. And it could also be used as a charm for a necklace. So that's really fun. Run a little ribbon through there or attach it to your necklace and you could have an accessory here. Super fun. Now, like I've been doing for the rest of this year, I'm going to be talking about the membership specials as well. So I will show you those really quickly. The first one we have is the Sun-Kissed headband. And this one may not look like right now that it would go, but definitely goes with this scarf. The stretchy headband pieces. This one's a little stiff. I'm going to play with it a bit to get it to stretch out. I have a big head, so I like to play with these. Yeah, and the back is a very soft material, so it's not going to snag the scarves. And the beads on the front will not snag the scarves, but you want to be careful with the little jewel in the center because it has the little clips that hold it in. So that is a snag hazard. So just be careful with that. All right. And then the second accessory, because we get two accessories for the membership special, and these are the Southwestern Classic earrings. Oops, too close. And they are silver tone, and they have this really pretty turquoise-like stone in the center. So really pretty, really pretty. Some don't like to wear gold and silver together, but for me, I've gotten over that and wear them together all the time. It's going to be fun to create and put those on. Now, the shaper I'm wearing is a Wendy. This one is partially stuffed, just for comfort for me. And also, I'll probably wear this to work, so I don't want it to be overly large. Right, so I'm going to get started with something rather simple, but beautiful. Place this on my head. And I'm going to place it at an angle and turn over the front. One long tail, one short tail. I always end up with the short tail over top of my right shoulder. Oops. Over the top. I got the tail swapped. All right, I'm bringing the short tail over the top. I just find that it holds better that way. All right. So I'm going to flip this to the appropriate direction. Right. And then I'm going to fold in thirds. I'm going to bring up and over and back. Okay, and when I get to here, I'm going to do a quick spin and just bring around. And I can tuck it through. Where are you, friend? I've done a really good job of hiding that pocket. All right. Hopefully these will be the exact same. Close enough? Close enough. Okay. So I've got an angled Shira tails with a twist. Super cute. I like it. I like it. And to draw attention, after I fuss with this a second, to draw attention to that twist, I am going to put the brooch right on the twist. Right here. Like so. All right, I'm going to spin around. I'm going to attempt to spin around and show you the back. Nice and flat. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to do something without tails. So let's take this guy off. Okay. I'm going to place this even Steven, folding over that front edge, just to have it a neat look, bringing over both tails. And mine isn't even, so let's see if I can get a little bit more even. There we go. All right, I'm scrunching up, pulling out, and then going forward, hopefully. Nice. Just a little bit of finessing, and it's in great shape. So I'm tying a knot here. Okay. Bringing around this tail. Okay. And I'm opening this tail up, bring it around. And I'm going to roll it a little bit and then stuff it up the back underneath of this tail. Okay. It'll make sense in a moment. Try again. I missed the space I wanted to put it in. So let's see if I can scooch back and show you. All right, so I'm moving this first tail. I'm putting these underneath, like so. And I'm going to bring the tail around like this. And then I'm going to stuff it up underneath, making sure to hide all of those fringes and to not make it too bulky on this side. Okay. All right. And then it's just a simple turban style. Just something really super easy peasy, yet I think is really pretty. Again, the brooch can be placed on this side. It will help to hold your scarf tail in place. Here. You can wear it here, or smooth this out. You can wear it right in the center here. Okay. Right there. So that's super fun, just like so. Again, if you find spots that you don't like, you just primp them until they are what you want. All right. Now I'm going to wrap this with the accessory, the headband, the sun-kissed headband. All right. Now, change in styles really quickly. Again, I'm keeping this simple for summer. It's so hot where I am. And I know some of you can sympathize. It's very hot. All right, so I have the tails, same-ish size on each side. And then I'm going to take the headband. I'm going to put it on. I like my headbands kind of angled, so that's what I'm going to do here. The headband also benefits you by holding in those tails without having to tie a knot. Some people are sensitive to pressure in the back, and sometimes the knot is just, it's hot. And this is much easier to do. All right, so I'm going to be bringing up and we're going to bring this one up towards the back because we're going to try a Regal wrap. Just something super, super simple. Oops, wrong side. There we go. Let's try. Sometimes I get mixed up in while I'm watching on the screen, I get mixed up in directions. So, all right. Where is the edge? There it is. All right. Bringing this one up in the back, around to be tucked where you can tuck it. Underneath. Okay. And don't worry if anything pops out, we'll just stick it back in. All right, now for this one, I'm going to deviate from the normal Regal wrap, and I'm going to bring it up at an angle in the front, like so. You could do another twist here if you'd like. Bring this back down a little bit. Okay. You could do that twist here. I'm not going to this time. And I'm just going to bring it around to the back and make sure I tuck everything in nice and neatly. Find all of the fringes that want to hang out and just get them tucked away. Okay. So this is the scooch forward. This is the wrap. And turn around to show you the back. All right. And then, of course, the earrings. Let me pop these little plastic pieces off. A word of advice. These little plastic pieces, I know you can't see them. It's really hard. Are awesome to keep. Don't throw those away. Once you put your earrings on, you can put them back on and it will keep you from losing your earrings. I've lost so many pairs of earrings that way. I have an entire drawer of just single earrings. Sometimes you'll see me just wear one earring because that's all I have is one of that earring. I even sometimes mix and match earrings. Just depends, but definitely don't throw those little pieces away. Let's see if I can find. All right, and then this is the earring. So I'm going to put the pieces on my dresser here. So these are super cute. I'm digging these. A nice simple wrap. So pretty. All right, I think I'm going to keep it really super short and simple. Have a wonderful day, guys, and I will see you in the next tutorial.